In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all pending invites in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever missed a meeting because you didn't realize an invite was still waiting for your response, this walkthrough will help you clear that up quickly. We'll use the built-in calendar view in Microsoft Teams to spot anything you haven't accepted or declined yet, and then respond right from the same place. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and click the calendar icon. This takes you to your team's schedule, which mirrors the meetings you've been invited to. You can switch between day, work week, or month views if that makes scanning easier, but the key is that everything shows up here in one place. Now look carefully for meetings that indicate you haven't finalized your response. In Teams, those typically appear as tentative or no response. Tentative means you've marked the time as a maybe, or it was automatically set as tentative when the invite arrived. No response means you haven't taken any action yet. These labels help you quickly zero in on pending invites without digging through emails. When you see a meeting that's tentative or shows no response, click it to open the meeting details. A panel will appear with information like the title, time, organizer, and attendees. Right here, you'll also see the response options: accept, decline, or tentative. Choose the option that reflects your availability. If you're sure you can attend, click accept so the time is locked in. If you can't make it, choose decline to free up your calendar. If you're still unsure, select tentative so you can revisit the decision later without losing sight of it. As you respond, those meetings will update and no longer appear as pending, which makes it easier to keep your schedule organized. If you're going through several invites at once, just repeat the same process. Scan for tentative or no response, click the meeting, and pick your response. A quick tip: reviewing your month or work week view first can surface a cluster of pending invites faster, then you can switch to day view for fine-tuning. If the calendar icon doesn't appear or you don't see status labels, make sure you're using the latest version of Teams and that your organization has calendar enabled. Once everything is visible, this method is the most direct way to find and act on all pending invites. That's it. Open Calendar, look for tentative